What's up, y'all? It's Chauncey motherfucking Phillips from the DE4L crew. I done heard Imroc threw together a motherfucking new school bike. But I also heard that shit was fly as a motherfucker. So let's take a ride. Go check that shit out, yo. Catch up. Yeah, motherfucker, what? Boom! What do we got here? Oh hell, Rock done threw some good shit together. About time. Damn, them wheels is fly. Yeah. Nice badge, bro. What the hell kind of stem is that? Oh, this dude's way old school. What the fuck? What the hell is this? Oh, hell no. This dude done threw some brakes on a new school rig? What the hell is this thing? That's a brake cable. Boom! What the hell? This motherfucker done threw on some Odyssey EVO 2.5s. Probably cause his punk ass can't ride for shit. He needs to rely on brakes all the time. What a chump, y'all.